Hello everyone, let's discuss the definition and some properties of Fourier transforms. First, let's define Fourier transforms. For a function f of x, the Fourier transform f tilde of k is defined by f tilde of k is equal to the integral from minus infinity to infinity of f of x times e to the minus ikx dx, where this integral exists. Note that the input to the transform is a function of one variable, namely x, but the output is another function of a different variable, namely k. Now, let's state some properties for Fourier transforms. The uniqueness property for continuous functions says that f of x equals g of x if and only if f tilde of k equals g tilde of k. The linearity property says that for constants lambda and mu, complex numbers, we have that h of x equaling lambda f of x plus mu g of x implies that h tilde of k is equal to lambda times f tilde of k plus mu times g tilde of k. The translation property says that for constant a real number, we have that g of x equaling f of x minus a implies that g tilde of k is equal to e to the minus ika times f tilde of k. The frequency shift property says that for a constant k naught, a real number, we have that g of x equaling e to the I k naught x times f of x implies that g tilde of k is equal to f tilde of k minus k naught. The scaling property says that for a constant a real number non-zero, we have that g of x equaling f of a times x implies that g tilde of k is equal to 1 over the modulus of a times f tilde of k over a. The derivative property is that g of x equaling f dash of x implies that g tilde of k is equal to ik times f tilde of k. The factors of x property is that g of x equaling x times f of x implies that f tilde of k is equal to I times the derivative of f tilde with respect to k. Now, let's discuss transforms of functions of multiple variables. We can also transform functions of more than one variable, but we must choose with which variable to transform on. It cannot be more than one. For example, the transform of f of xy with respect to x would be written as f tilde of ky, which equals the integral from minus infinity to infinity of f of x with y times e to the minus I times k times x dx. Observe that derivatives with respect to a non-transformed variable, which would be y in this case, are not affected by the transform. And, as ever, thank you for watching.